Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at the aftermath of Cyclone Shaheen in Oman. The cyclone made landfall on Sunday, October 3rd, 2021, with winds measuring between 120 and 150 kilometers per hour. Additionally, waves over 10 meters high were seen in coastal areas. The high winds resulted in power outages, with power stations being damaged by the cyclone. The high winds have also resulted in the destruction of buildings. Around 3,000 people have been moved to emergency shelters. The high volume of rain has resulted in deep floods, with vehicles being stranded by the floodwater. The cyclone has now been downgraded to a tropical storm as it loses intensity. However, the impact will be felt for a long time.
أول مرة نشوف مثل هذا الشيء.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.